Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. So I am here again to take your science class. This is for class 4. Actually, we are revising our chapters. We have already completed chapter 1 and chapter 2 of PT1 syllabus. So I am revising from chapter 1, food and digestion. In our previous class, we have completed discussion of the question answer, short answer questions. All we have revised, all we have done explanation. Today we will start from long answer question. Long answer question. Today I will discuss question number 1. Briefly describe the process of digestion. Briefly describe the process of digestion. So you have to discuss. Also, you will draw this one. It is I have given the homework. You will draw the digestive system. So first of all, I will discuss the process of digestion. Digestion of food. So digestion of food starts in our mouth. So first of all, what are the organs that are involved in digestion of food? The organs are the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Along with it, liver and pancreas also helps in the digestion. So how you will write that one? First of all, digestion of food starts in our mouth. Digestion of food starts in our mouth. What happens in the mouth? The teeth present in the mouth, it helps in chewing and grinding the food. Then this mixes with the saliva present in the mouth. Then what does saliva do? Saliva breaks the food into breaks the starch of the food into simple sugar and also makes the food soft. Then from the mouth, this food goes to the stomach through the food pipe or esophagus. So the food passes through the food pipe to reach the stomach. Then what happens in the stomach? In the stomach, the food is churned and mixes with the digestive juices. What happens in the stomach? The food that goes to the stomach from the food pipe, it is churned and mixes with the digestive juices. What does the digestive juice do? This digestive juices breaks down the food into simple and soluble form, and that can be absorbed, and then it passes this food into the small intestine. So what happens in the stomach? The food that enters the stomach from when it is going from the mouth through the food pipe, when it goes to the stomach, the food there is churned and mixes with the digestive juices. Then this digestive juices, what does it do? It breaks down the food into simple and soluble form. Then this food goes to the small intestine. So what happens in the small intestine? Small intestine is a long coiled tube that produces digestive juices. So small intestine is a long and coiled structure, coiled tube, I can tell you, that produces digestive juices. Here the bile that is secreted from the liver enters the small intestine, and it helps to digest the fats in the small intestine, and also the juices that is produced by the pancreas that also enters the small intestine, and it helps to digest the carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Okay, so in the small intestine all the digestive juices from the liver, from the pancreas and also from from the small intestine, it helps to digest the food. Here the process of digestion completes. So here the process of digestion completes here. Then what happened to the food? The food is this food is absorbed in the blood, and whatever the rest food that is not digested, the undigested food then goes to the large intestine. So what does large intestine do? Large intestine holds the undigested food, then this large intestine absorbs the excess water from the undigested food and forms feces. What that feces means? Feces means this is semi-solid waste that is formed from the undigested food. Then what does this semi-solid waste goes? This semi-solid waste or the undigested feces, semi-solid waste, it goes to the anus. What is this anus? Here the undigested semi-solid waste is passed out as stool through the anus. So this is the function of the anus. This way our digestion process, this way our digestion process ends here. So what this is, let us recapitulate what happened. Digestion, the different organs are mouth, food pipes, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, along with the liver and the pancreas also helps in digestion. What happens? Digestion of the food starts in our mouth. In the mouth, teeth are present. What does the teeth do? The teeth chew and grinds the food. Then this food mixes with the saliva. What does saliva do? Saliva breaks the starch of the food into simple sugars and also makes the food soft. Then this soft food passes through the food pipe to the stomach. Then here in the stomach, this food is churned and mixes with the digestive juices, which helps in breaking down the food into simple and soluble form. Then this food goes to the small intestine. Here the juices from the liver, that is bile, it goes to the small intestine, that helps to digest the fats, and the juice that is produced by the pancreas, it goes to the small intestine to digest the carbohydrate, proteins and fats from the food. So in the small intestine all the digestive acts upon the food, and the digestion of food completes there. Then the food is absorbed in the blood. Then the food that is not digested, means the undigested food, goes to the large intestine, where the excess water is absorbed from the food and forms the feces, that is semi-solid waste. In the anus, the undigested semi-solid waste is passed out through the body as stool. So this way our digestion completes here, the process completes here. Okay students, today we have discussed this process of digestion, and also the diagram, human digestive system. You should draw that one in your notebook and practice the drawing and labeling also the organ. So in our next class we will discuss the other question answer from the long answer question of this chapter 1. So thank you.